Hi friend, welcome again. This is Alok. Today we'll see how Java 8 provided various methods for getting the date and various classes for getting the date, time and time in zone format. Let's start from date. So for date, we have local date class, local date, and all the time related classes are available in the java.time package. So let's include local date for local date and all methods of the classes are static. So you can directly call without instantiating that. So for the local date, we have four variants are there. So most probably you'll use this. So let's check how it prints month you can give in numeric and enum format also. So let on month dot cusp and days, let's say that it is 1st of August. Local date, if you run, let's run. See here, 1st of August 2020 is printed. Like local date, we have local date time. There you can see by name, you can print the time also. Local date time equal to local date time. It's again a one class that you have to import from local time package, sorry, Java time package, and it has static method. Now you can see we have two method, local date, local time. We can see this local time in few minutes. See, look, you can pass local date, local time, or else you have to pass this format, uh, year, month, days, or minutes. So let's see how it prints for this. And we have year, month, days, R is 10th. Then we have minute, let's see 30. Let's run this also. Local date time. After running this, we can see with the local date time is printed, and here T. So Java separate this date and time by T variable. So 10:30. It has one local date time has one method that takes local date and local time. So like local date, we can have local time equal to local time dot of, or you can give 10 minute, you can give 30. So here you can directly pass two variable. One is local date, and another is local time. Okay. Once you run this, you'll get the same result. Like local date time, we have zoned. So if suppose if you want to print time in zone format, like for India 5:30, and for other time zones you have to specify zone date time, zone date time off. So it has also local date, time, and zone ID you have to pass to get time in zone format. So let's include this. It's also part of Java time package, and it needed zone ID. You have to define zone ID also. All classes has jet zone ID, has static methods of string you can specify. Like for India, you can give Asia Kolkata, and local date time you have given this, and you have to give zone ID. Zone ID is the zone ID that we have created. Let's print this. After running this, you can see first is date, second is date time, third is with zone date time. See, for Asia Kolkata plus 5:30 is added in the UTC. UTC is universal time zone, and 5:30 is added for this time zone, Asia Kolkata. Also, if you want to find correct zone ID, so let's check if Java has provided zone ID dot zone ID dot okay date available zone IDs. This method has set of available zone IDs. Let's use Java 8 stream. You are streaming at once, and you have let's filter it out. Filter based on name a dot contains for let's search for Asia. Asia, then you can let's sort it and print each occurrence. For printing out P. After running this, you can see here it has given all list of zone IDs by name, so you can find your country. So for Kolkata, Asia Kolkata, it's present here. So that's it for this video. We'll see what the other flavors of Java 8 time, how we can convert in periods, how we can convert the different zone IDs in UTC and UTC to different zone IDs. So thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.